So ACEC is an organization of all the engineering firms, specialty disciplines to multidiscipline firms, and ACEC brings all of those firms together in one organization, speaking for one voice of the engineering profession, for the better business of the engineering profession.
50 years ago, we began Engineering Excellence to showcase the great projects and the great things that engineers do. In New York, we like to think that we have, and we know that we have, the best engineers in the world. When you look at the projects that have been designed and built here in New York, and the projects that the engineers in New York design all over the world, it's remarkable. From massive infrastructure projects like the 2nd Avenue Subway, East Side Access, the Goethals Bridge.
One of the nice things about engineering, particularly transportation engineering, is you get to see your product. The fact that we're affecting people's lives, and we're affecting people's lives for the better. We're solving problems.
It's a great showcase for us to show the work that we're doing, but also a great way for us to see all the other great work that's happening in the city and the state.
You know, this award, Engineering Excellence Award, I mean, this is the only place where a small firm can get the recognition that they deserve, you know. You'll see often that a small firm and a project from a small company gets the biggest award.
And so one of the most rewarding things for me is when I bring my wife and my kids into the city and I point to different areas of buildings that have changed the city's skyline, that are there because of the work that I did. And I tell them that the math and science I studied, you know, decades ago is now playing a role in society today. So that's pretty powerful, and that's what I like about what I do, what I love about what I do.
By having EEA, it allows all the community, the engineering community, to see what advances are being done, what innovations are being successfully employed on projects. And I thoroughly expect the projects of the future to be unbelievably creative. We know from the young engineers that we have coming in that innovation is very much part of their vocabulary. And they look for ways to do things differently, more efficiently, and quite frankly, thinking out of the box is routine.
We also tied in an educational component as we started our scholarship fund. This year we'll give away $67,000 to students studying engineering in New York, and overall the program has given away $700,000 since its inception.
It humbles me how smart the incoming talent is. Some of the entry-level staff, how smart they are, how innovative they are, how hardworking they are. It makes me look back at a long time ago when I was a young engineer in the profession and the opportunity that some people gave to me, and I'm very grateful for that opportunity. And I feel an obligation to give that same opportunity to our next generation of engineers coming into the profession.